three themes. Theme number one, that is real beauty. What we say, the real beauty are love and sacrifices. The love we have within us, the sacrifices, जो त्याग या बलिदान हम किसी के लिए करते हैं, they are the real beauties. Beautiful दिखना is not a beauty in itself. ठीक है, वो कुछ पल की ब्यूटी होती है, but the real beauty lies within ourselves. तो जो within beauties होती हैं, love and sacrifices are what are the real beauties. The theme 2 of the chapter that it will work on is love and sacrifices are two saving forces. If these two are the real beauties, they can also work as the real saving forces. Love and sacrifices, where there is love and where there are sacrifices, everything, we can say a hazardous destruction can be saved because of these two forces. So these two are the saving forces. The third theme the chapter works on is there is a great gap between the rich and the poor. We can see the prince whose statue has been destroyed with the sluttishness of the time, but still we can say the prince is what? Prince is happy, because princes are born with the silver spoons and they have the right, they have the birth privileges to be happy forever. So even after so much destruction, the prince is known as happy prince. So we can say there is a great gap between the rich and the poor. So working on these three themes, now we will go through the text and understand the chapter properly. Okay, so I'll move on to the text part. I hope this much we can say the concept of the story is clear to you. Now just connect and follow on the screen share, that is the text segment. Yes. So shall we start with the text? I hope the part we did was very much clear to you. आप समझ गए हो कि exactly ये chapter किस चीज के बारे में है और इसमें हम किस themes पे बात करने वाले हैं, right? So I hope you have understood it nicely. So now, before starting, let us. Okay. So now we will continue with the chapter. Okay. So we are studying a chapter by Oscar Wilde. The name of the chapter is The Happy Prince. And Happy Prince was a beautiful statue. It was a beautiful statue of a prince. He was covered with gold. That is, the statue is covered with gold. Statue पूरा किससे covered है? Gold से. He had sapphire for the eyes, and in his eyes कौन से stones हैं? Sapphires. And उसकी sword में कौन सा है? Ruby. And why did he want to part with all the gold that he had and his precious stones? And वो क्यों इन सबसे part होना चाहता है? क्यों वो इन सबसे अलग होना चाहता है from the gold and all the precious stones that he had? So हमें इसके बारे में chapter से पूरा check करना है कि exactly ये क्या कहता है. Why the prince is so happy, and if he is happy तो वो इतनी precious चीजों से why does he want to part away from it? So we can say the three themes of the story that we discussed are that the real beauties are love and sacrifices. The second theme is love and sacrifices are the two saving forces. And the third theme is there is a great gap between the rich and the poor. Okay. So I hope ये तीनों themes जो मैंने आपको बताई थी are quite clear to you. Now, we can say that high above, so थोड़ा सा मैं आपको पहले बता देती हूँ कि the statue of a happy prince, it was a beautiful statue of a real prince. It was covered with gold, it had sapphires for the eyes, ruby in the sword, and the statue was set on a tall column by the courtiers. ठीक है, इसको जो courtiers होते हैं, जो कोर्ट में वर्क करने वाले people होते हैं, जिसको हम दरबारी भी बोलते हैं, उन्होंने क्या किया? They placed it on a big fort. उन्होंने इसको एक बहुत टॉल से कॉलम के ऊपर इस स्टैचू को लगा दिया. Now this statue is at such a great height कि वहां से स्टैचू पूरे के पूरे टाउन को देख सकता था, सिटी को. Now the happy prince sees all the misery of the city, जहाँ पे उस सिटी में जहाँ पे उसको पोस्ट किया गया था, he can see beneath, कि वहां पे पूरे सिटी को जब वो देख पा रहा है तो he is able to see the misery all around. He weeps and he starts crying when he sees the people in trouble. When he sees his people in trouble, he starts crying. He wanted to help them, and वो उनकी help भी करना चाहता है. Okay, so यही है जो हम पूरा इस chapter में we will study. Now, high above the city on a tall column stood the statue of the happy prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold for eyes. He had 2 bright sapphires and a large ruby glowed on his sword. So यहाँ पे वही सिमिलर चीज है जो अभी तक हमने क्या किया था, अभी तक हमने पढ़ी थी. ठीक है, जो हमने अभी तक एक्सप्लेन किया, व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू टिल अभी तक जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, दिस इज इन द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. दैट इज हाई अबव इन द सिटी on a tall column stood what? Stood the statue of a happy prince, and it was gilded all over with the leaves of fine gold. We can say चारों तरफ से वो gold plated था. It was plated with gold all over, and the eyes were of 2 big sapphires, and sapphire is a very precious stone, and a large ruby glowed on his sword. And the sword, जो उसकी sword थी ना, that was glowing with what? It was glowing with a ruby. Ruby is the most precious stone, we can say. Ruby बहुत ही precious stone है. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. What happened? One night वहां पे एक little swallow fly over करके आती है, and his friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before. उसके जो friend है, they have flew away and gone to Egypt 6 weeks before. But he stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. But this little swallow was left behind, and this also decided to go to Egypt too. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. Now all day long this swallow kept on flying, and now being tired at the night time, he arrived at the city and thought to take a shelter somewhere and take some rest. Where shall I put up? That is, where should I take a stay? He said. The swallow said, I hope the town has made preparations. I hope the town has made preparations all over. Then he saw the statue on a tall column, and suddenly the swallow is able to see the statue that stood on a tall column. I will put up there, he cried. Now, what does the swallow think? Swallow says that I will put up there, he cried. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. The swallow says, I will put up there. उसने बोला कि मैं यहाँ पर रहूंगी, and it is a fine position with plenty of fresh air, and this position is very much fine and with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted just between the feet of the happy prince, and so he came and alighted, that is came and sit and placed just between the feet of the happy prince. वो आती है bird and happy prince के feet पे, we can say, वो वहां पे आके रुक जाती है. I have golden bedroom. Now the swallow, see how smart the swallow is. वो वहां पे आके happy prince के feet पे जब रुकती है तो what does the swallow says? Swallow says, I have a golden bedroom. मेरा तो bedroom कैसा है? Golden, because we can say the feet of the statue is the bedroom and it was plated with gold. He said softly to himself as he looked round. जब वो अपने पूरे आसपास देखती है ना, all around goldy gold दिखाई दे रहा है, तो slowly in a very soft voice the swallow says to himself that wow, today the bedroom I am having is full of gold. It's a golden bedroom. And he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wings, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. How is it possible? Okay, so उसने क्या बोला कि what a curious thing. ये कितनी अजीब चीज है. And as he prepared to go to sleep, what happened? जैसे आपने, you must have seen birds, how the birds sleep. They put their head under their wings and they go to sleep. As soon as the bird put his head under the wings, a large drop of water fell on him. A large drop of water, it fell on him. And he says, what a curious thing. उसने बोला, it is such a curious thing. ये क्या अजीब सी चीज है? Because there was not a single cloud in the sky. And the stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. How is it possible? This is something very awkward. So further, then another drop fell, and then अभी तक तो वो पहली ड्रॉप के बारे में सोच ही रही थी swallow. What happened? Suddenly another drop again fell. What is the use of the statue if it cannot keep the rain off? He said, I must look for a good chimney pot, and he determined to fly away. Now he says, now what is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? What is it? I came here to take a safe shelter, safe from everything, to save myself from the, we can say, harshness of the nature. Now what is its use? इसका तो कोई use नहीं है. Why? Because if this shelter is not able to save me, if this can't keep the rain off, then what is its use? No use, he said. Who is he? The swallow said. He says, now I must look for a good chimney pot. Where I should go and stay over there, and determined to fly away. And he was determined. Determined means उसने अपना दृढ़ निश्चय कर लिया that he is going to fly away from this place and go and take a shelter in a good chimney pot where he can be saved off from the rain. But before he opened his wings, a third drop fell. But what happens? इससे पहले कि वो अपने wings को open करती है, third drop again fell. Third drop भी आ गई, and he looked up and saw, and the swallow looked up and saw. What did it saw? What did he see? What did he see? उसने क्या देखा? The eyes of the happy prince. The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. Now what happens as and when the swallow sees up, and what he sees that the happy prince, जो जिसका statue था, the eyes of that happy prince were filled with tears, आंसुओं से भरी हुई थी, and tears were running down his golden cheeks, and the tears were rolling down his golden cheeks and falling down, and that is why we can say the three drops that fell on the bird, on the swallow, it was not the raindrops, they were the tears of the happy prince. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. And the face was so beautiful in the moonlight, we can say that as soon as the swallow sees the face of the happy prince is filled with pity, उसे उसका चेहरा देख के उस पे दया आ गई. ठीक है, pity is किसी पे दया करना. Who are you? He said, I am the happy prince. And now the swallow asked, who are you? तुम कौन हो? And what is the answer that the happy prince is giving? He is saying, मैं happy prince हूँ. I am the happy prince. Why are you weeping then? Asked the swallow. You have quite drenched me. Now for a bird, 3 drops of water is enough to make that bird wet. So the swallow says that if you are a happy prince, then why are you weeping? Swallow asks. And also along with the question, swallow also says that you quite drenched me with tears of yours. तुमने अपने आंसुओं से मुझे गीला भी कर दिया है. When I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were, for I lived in a place where sorrow is not allowed to enter. My courtiers called me the happy prince, and happy indeed I was. So I lived, and so I died, and now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city. And though my heart is made of lead, yet I cannot choose but weep. And says, when I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were, for I lived in a palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. Nowadays says, the happy prince says that when I was alive and I had a human heart, I did not know what tears were. मुझे नहीं पता था आंसू होते क्या हैं. For I lived in palace because I used to live in a palace. And sorrows are not allowed to enter the palace. Everything that is happy and happiness always is allowed to enter the palace. My courtiers called me the happy prince. The courtiers जो उसके वहाँ पे we can say जो workers थे उसके palace के, they used to call me happy prince. And indeed I was happy at that time too. So I lived and so I died. So I lived happy and now so I died also. Whoever has come in the world has to die one day. So the prince says, so I lived and so I died. And now that I am dead, and now because he says that I am dead, so they all have set me up here so high that यहाँ पे उन्होंने मुझे इस पूरे टॉल से वी कैन से अ टॉल पिलर के ऊपर इन्होंने मुझे स्टैंड कर दिया है, मुझे प्लेस कर दिया है, so that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city, which I was not able to see when I was alive, because when I was alive, I was in a palace where no misery, no unhappiness, no ugliness is allowed. Only we can say cleanliness, happiness, peace is allowed. So they have placed me here to see this ugliness and this misery of my city. And though my heart is made of lead, and my heart is made of lead now, my heart does not beat because now I am a lead statue. Yet I cannot choose but weep. So I cannot choose, but I can just weep and weep, seeing all this misery and all this ugliness in my city. What? Is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remark. Now what happened? The swallow says, what? Kya? Heart is made of lead. That means this statue is of not of a solid gold, we can say. Just a gold plating is done on it and inside it is made of lead, said the swallow to himself. And he was too polite to make any personal remark. And the swallow was too polite to make any sort of personal remark. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. Her face is thin and worn, and she has coarse red hands, all pricked by the needle, for she is a seamstress. She is embroidering flowers on satin gown on the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor, to wear at the next court ball. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? My feet are fastened to the pedestal and I cannot move. Now, far away, continued the statue. Statue की जो low musical voice थी, in a low musical voice, the statue continues to say, he says that far away in the little street, there is a poor house, and one of the window of that poor house is open. And through that open window, I am able to see a woman who is seated at the table and her face is very thin and worn out. Because poor house and the people of the poor house always have a worn out face. And she has a coarse, that is rough, red hand because it was all pricked by the needle. And she is a seamstress. Who is she? She is a seamstress. Seamstress मतलब वो कुछ embroider कर रही थी, ठीक है? Embroider means needle and thread की help से जो embroidery work होता है, she was doing some embroidery work. And she is embroidering a flower on a satin gown. And what is she doing? She is embroidering a flower on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queens maid of honor. किसके लिए? Loveliest of the queens maid of honor थी उसके लिए. Why? Because the queen's maid of honor is going to wear at the next court ball. Because the जिसके लिए वो stitch कर रहे थे, she is going to wear it at the next court ball. And in a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. The boy has fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges, but his mother has nothing to give him, just the river water, and so because of hunger, the boy is crying. So now the happy prince statue says, Swallow, do you hear what I say? It is such a miserable plight that I see, and I am not able to bear it anymore. So please, swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you do one thing? Will you do me a favor? Can you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? क्या तुम मेरी sword hilt, जो तलवार जिसके अंदर एक बहुत ही प्रेशियस रूबी था, क्या तुम उसमें से इस रूबी को निकाल सकती हो, एंड क्या तुम जाकर के उसको देके आ सकती हो, सो दैट शी कैन सेल ऑफ द रूबी एंड द मनी शी गेट्स इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ द रूबी, उसको वो अपने बच्चे के लिए मेडिसिन लाने में, अपने बच्चे के लिए आई कैन से फूड लाने के लिए, इन चीजों के लिए इट कैन बी यूजफुल टू हर. So my feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. And my feet, because why does he ask the swallow to do this? Because he says that my feet are fastened. मेरे तो जो feet है ना are fastened on this pedestal and I cannot hear but move. So मैं तो hear नहीं कर सकता, मैं यहाँ से move नहीं कर सकता and I cannot move. So will you go and do the work I ask you to do. Now, I am waiting. Now, I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and taking to the large lotus flower. Soon they will go to sleep. Now, the swallow says that I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. My friends are flying up and down the Nile river and they are talking to a large lotus flower and soon they will go to sleep. So I have to join them. तो वो मेरे लिए तो अभी ये possible नहीं है because I have to fly up, move and I have to join them. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Now the prince asked the swallow just to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. एक रात रुको and be my messenger because the boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad, he said, because the little boy who is ill, he is very much thirsty and the mother is very sad because of the poverty they are stricken with and also with the illness of the boy. So please, 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 I request you to stay this one night for me and be my messenger. I don't think I like boys, said the swallow. Swallow says, I don't think I like the boys. I want to go to Egypt now. I just want to go to Egypt and I am not going to stay with you here to help you or to be your messenger. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. It is very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Happy prince, but he looked so sad that the little swallow, as soon as he sees the face of the happy prince, was sorry. Okay, and was sorry and just decided to stay here and says that it is very cold here. The swallow says it is very cold here, but he agreed, but the swallow agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Okay, that I am going to stay with you for one night and I'll be your messenger. Thank you, little swallow, said the prince. Thank you, little swallow, said the prince. Prince thanked the little swallow. The swallow picked out a great ruby from Prince's sword and flew away with it in its beak over to the roof of the town. Now, as soon as the happy prince says, thank you so much, little swallow, the swallow picks out a great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away holding it tight in his beak and over the roof of the town. He passed by the cathedral tower where the white marble angels were sculpted. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. Now what happens, as soon as he passed by the cathedral tower where the white marble angels were sculpted, he passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. A beautiful girl came out from the balcony with her lover. I hope now what all these are the things which we can say the swallow sees as the swallow is passing over the town. What he says, he sees the cathedral tower. He says where the place cathedral tower where the marble angels were sculpted. As he passed above the palace, he is hearing the sound of dancing, and then he sees a beautiful girl coming out in the balcony with her lover, and all these things he sees, and I hope. And the swallow says, I hope my dress will be ready. He also hears as soon as he's passing there and he sees a beautiful girl that is in the balcony with her lover. And what does now another next thing he says, he sees and he listens. I hope my dress will be ready in the time for the state ball, she said. And what is she saying? A lady is saying, the queen's maid of honor is saying, I hope my dress will be ready in the time of the state ball. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered in it, and the girl is saying that I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstress are so lazy. But the seamstresses are so lazy that I am little bit, I can say, confused or in a dilemma whether it will be ready or not. Now he passed over the river. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ships. At last he came to the poor woman's house. Mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired, and he hopped and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. How cool I feel, said the boy. I must be getting better. And he sank into a delicious slumber. Now the swallow passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ship. And at last he came to the poor woman's house, looked in. The boy was tossing, means he was changing sides frequently, because tossing feverishly, he was having fever, high fever, and he was tossing feverishly on his bed. अपने बिस्तर पे टेंशन और परेशानी जो उसको फीवर से हो रही थी, उसके कारण वो बार बार करवट बदल रहा था. Okay, in he hoped, and now in the hoped, the I can say the little bird swallow and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble, and laid this great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. Then he flew gently round the bed, and he gently flew round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead, and also fanning the boy's forehead with his wings, and with the cold air of his feather fanning. The boy says, how cool I feel. I think I must be getting better. This way I must be getting better. And saying this, he sank into a delicious slumber. Means he sank into a very nice sleep. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. It is curious, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. Now, then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. तुमने क्या किया? It is curious, he remarked. He says, it is so curious, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. But now, he says, कि जो भी तुमने किया, whatever I went to do, but now I feel quite warm now, and although it is so cold, but still I am feeling warm. That is because you have done a good action, said the prince. And the little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy. Now here little humorous, we can say, touch is given. That is, he says that you are feeling warm amidst this chill cold, because this is all because you have done a good action, and the warmth you feel inside you is the warmth of a good action that is being done by you, said the prince. And the little swallow began to think, and this little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. And then fell asleep, and says thinking always made him sleepy, and says that thinking always makes him sleepy, and that is why as soon as he starts thinking, he goes to sleep. When day broke, he flew down into the river and had a bath. And as soon as the day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. Tonight I go to Egypt, said the swallow. Swallow says that tonight surely I am going to go to Egypt, said the swallow, and he was in high spirit at the prospect. Swallow says so, and he is in a high spirit at the prospect. एंड वो बहुत ही हाई स्पिरिट में उसने ये बात की. He visited all the monuments and sat a long time on the top of the church steeple. He visited all the monuments and sat a long time on the church steeple. And the steeple of the church, he sat for a long time. And not only the church, he visited all the monuments, but sat where? Sat on the steeple, top of the church steeple. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. And as soon as the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Have you my commission for Egypt? Have you any commission for Egypt? He cried. I am just starting. And he says that, is there any work of yours to Egypt? क्या Egypt तक आपका कोई message ले जाना है, कोई work है? If it is, then just tell me, then just give me your message, because I am just starting. मैं बस जाने के लिए मैं अपनी flight लेने ही वाला हूँ. I am going to take my flight to flight. ये वो वाली helicopters and planes वाली flight नहीं है, flight of a bird कि वो bird जो है वो बस उड़ के अपना इजिप्ट की तरफ उड़ान भरने वाली है. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you stay on me one night longer? Now the happy prince says, what he says? He says, swallow, swallow. Little swallow, said the prince. Will you stay with me one night longer? क्या तुम मेरे साथ एक और रात के लिए रहोगी? I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. Swallow says, no, it is not possible for me, because I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. Now, what the swallow says? Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the happy prince. Far away in the city, I see a young man in a garret. He is leaning over a bench of withered violets. His hair is brown and crisp, and his lips are red and as pomegranate, and he has large and dreamy eyes. He is trying to finish a play of the director of the theatre, but he is too cold to write any more. There is no fire in the grate, and hunger has made him faint. Now he says, swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Prince says, far away across the city, I can see a young man in a garret, and he is leaning over the desk which is covered with the papers, and in the glass by his side. And in the glass by his side, there is a bunch of withered violets. And his hair is brown and crisp, and his lips are as red as a pomegranate. Pomegranate आपने अनार देखा है ना, उसे pomegranate बोलते हैं. कितना रेड होता है ये pomegranate, बिल्कुल वैसे ही रेड उसके lips हैं, and he has large and dreamy eyes. He is trying to, what that man is doing, he is trying to finish up a play for the director of the theatre. But it is too cold to write anymore. And there is no fire in the grate. And उसकी grate में बिल्कुल भी fire नहीं है. मतलब grate is the place, that is the fireplace, जहाँ पे आप cold से बचने के लिए आप थोड़ा सा fire burn out करते हो. And hunger has made him faint. और भूख के मारे क्या हो गया, वो बिल्कुल faint. I will wait with you one night longer, said the swallow. Swallow says, okay, I will wait with you one night longer. Who really had a great heart. तुम्हारे साथ में एक रात और रुकूंगी, तुम जिसका हार्ट बहुत ही गुड है. You the person, you the prince with a good heart, you a creature with a good heart, I am going to stay with you one night more. He asked if he should take another ruby to the young playwright, and the swallow himself asked that if he should take another ruby to this young playwright. So with the limitation of the time, we will just stop it here, and next we are going to start with Alas in the next class tomorrow. I hope till here everything is clear to you, and if you have any queries tomorrow, in the beginning 5 minutes we'll be discussing your queries, so be ready with your query session. Okay, so now just go through the text, mark up your queries and ask them to me tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep studying and take care of your